What is up, everyone? Today we're checking out the TP-link Deco BE11000, also known as the Deco B65. This is a Wi-Fi 7 mesh system that promises blazing fast speeds, but is it worth your money? Let's find out. The Deco BE11000 comes in packs of 1, 2, or 3 units. The 3-pack covers up to 7,600 square feet. Each unit is about 4 inches wide and 7 inches tall. Simple white design that fits anywhere. This thing hits speeds up to 11 gigabits per second across 3 bands, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz. Real-world tests show users going from 870 megabits to over 1400 megabits with their gigabit internet plans. That's a huge jump. All 4 ports support 2.5 gig speeds, which is way better than old routers with just one fast port. Plus, there's a USB port for sharing files across your network. Setup is super easy with the Deco app. The roaming works great, switching you between units without dropping your connection. Users love how it kills dead zones and can walk anywhere in your house and keep fast speeds. It can handle over 200 devices at once, perfect for smart homes with tons of gadgets. Here's the catch though. Some users report connection drops and stability issues, especially with smart home devices. Setup can be tricky and there's no web interface, only the phone app. The 3-pack normally costs $800 but goes on sale for around $580 to $600. That's competitive for Wi-Fi 7. So, is it the best Wi-Fi 7 router? For most homes, yes, the coverage is solid. Speeds are excellent and the app makes everything simple. Just know that some users have stability problems, so check your return policy. If you want cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 without breaking the bank, the Deco BE11000 is a strong pick. That's it for today, guys. Drop a comment if you have questions, and thanks for watching.